Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So have you ever thought about safety? Especially when you go a bit far away from your loved ones. Now, for safety of your motorcycle, you do a lot. Like having a security system, adding GPS trackers and whatnot. Now what if I tell you that you can secure both your motorcycle or car along with yourself? Yes, even if you're someone who goes for a long ride or someone who are on a constant move and want to keep your vehicle protected along with yourself, this video is for you. Now let's see what is it all about and let's get started. A quick note for people who are watching this video. This is not an electronic gadget or a device which I'm going to introduce now. If you are my regular viewers, you might already know that I already made a video on Ajjas GPS trackers, which I'm using it from pretty long time. Now this particular one is named to be a smart sticker, which is a new product launched by Ajjas. Now if anyone of you are interested to purchase this, I'll leave the purchase link in the description below. Opening the bubble wrap, you get to see the actual envelope itself, on which you can see few highlighted features of this product. This product will not share any of your contact details. You can receive notification, and also people can make emergency calls when required. And as you already seen, the name of this product is ReachMe Smart Contact Sticker, which can be used on both motorcycles and cars. Now behind this envelope, we get to see a small illustration on how this sticker works. Now as an example, they have provided a wrong parking car which is blocking the way. Now it illustrates that any person can scan this sticker and reach out to its owner, and the best part is the identity of the owner or the contact details is not shared. Now opening the envelope, you are greeted with a quick start guide of how to use a sticker. You need to download Ajjas app, which is available on App Store as well as on Play Store. And one thing to note here is the app is need to be downloaded only by the owner who owns this sticker. Next, you need to log in or sign up and then register the sticker. Add your vehicle and other details which I'll be showing shortly, and then use the sticker on the motorcycle or car which you are planned to. And it's that simple. Let's have a look at the stickers itself. I have two stickers here and both are identical. Just the QR code is different, and obviously that will be unique for each purchase that you make. Keeping both the stickers aside as of now, let's have a look if we get anything else in the envelope. And looking at this, I don't think that we get anything else. So keeping the envelope aside, let's have a look at the sticker itself. The quality of the sticker itself is pretty good and doesn't feel cheap at all. One good thing that I noticed about the sticker is the printing on this is on both the sides. Now if you are someone who are planning to buy this and apply it on your car, this can be applied from inside of your car so that no one can peel it. And that's a good thing done by Ajjas, so kudos for that. Now let me show you how to register this sticker and also show a demo on how to use this one. Now in order to use this sticker, you need to have your Ajjas app downloaded on your mobile phone. I have already downloaded this and I'm using this from pretty long time since I have the GPS tracker. Once you register yourself, you get to see an interface something similar to this. Now if you notice, there's an option called as contact sticker on which you need to click to get into the contact sticker interface. This is how the welcome screen looks. So you need to click on activate contact sticker. Now if you don't have one, you can also purchase this from the app itself. Clicking on activate contact sticker, it opens a QR code scanner using which you need to scan any of the sticker. And once it is scanned, you get to see this interface which confirms it's the Ajjas contact sticker, and the best part, you need not have any subscription for this. Now clicking on next takes you to the next page in which you need to fill your vehicle details. I have it pre-filled as I'm using the GPS tracker anyways. Now if you're using this for the first time, you can click on add new vehicle and provide the details of your motorcycle or car. Once this is done, click on continue. In this page, you need to fill your personal details along with the emergency contact details that you would like to provide for contacting on an emergency purpose. Once everything is filled, click on save details and you can name your first sticker with anything that you like. So add the name and click on save. Your contact sticker registration is completed, and it was damn easy, right? Now you can have a preview of all the details that you have filled and along with few settings on the bottom side. You can check and also you can edit the details that you have been provided, or if you want to register a new sticker, you can do that as well. Now clicking on sticker settings, you can control what this sticker can do when it gets scanned. Now if you don't wish to show your name when someone scans a sticker, you can turn off vehicle owner name. Also you can customize on if someone have to call you or not, or you can completely pause the QR code scanning if you would like to do that. Going back, if you want to see how someone can see the first interface when they scan the sticker, you can click on preview contact page. This is how it looks when someone else scans the QR code to reach you out. Now that's all about the sticker and its registration. Now let me show you a live demo on how this sticker functions. Now I have an Android phone here and this pretty old one just to show you this works with any device. Now this one doesn't support a direct QR code scanning from the camera app. If you're using an iPhone or any other latest device from Android too, it might have direct QR code scanning, so you need not have an app to scan the sticker. So opening the QR code app and scanning the sticker, you can see on the owner device, that is on my device, you get a notification that the contact sticker was scanned by someone. Now on the other side, you get to see this interface which I already showcased in the app, using which others can communicate. Clicking on contact the owner, you get into this interface where you need to select the reason why you have to contact the owner. There are a set of pre-filled reasons which you can choose, like vehicle is wrongly parked, the lights of the vehicle is on, the vehicle is getting towed, there is a baby or a pet in the vehicle, the window of the vehicle is open, or if you have anything other than this, you can also type it manually and click on call now. Now this asks you to fill the contact number, that is the contact number of the person who is trying to reach you. Let me fill the contact number off camera and then show you the next step. After filling the number and clicking on submit, it takes you to this interface where you can place a call by using this number that is provided. So once you give a call to this number, let's see what happens. It takes you to an IVR where it directly calls the owner without revealing the identity or the contact number of the owner itself.
While we are trying to connect your call.
Now let's see what happens when you click on view emergency info. It shows you the list of emergency contacts that you have already added, and if someone has to reach any of the contact that you have saved, it is the same process. Just click on the contact and click on call. The rest of the steps is as similar to how to place a call for an owner. Just have to fill the contact details and click on call. It provides you a temporary number which will take you through an IVR call to contact the person. Now apart from calling, you can also send messages in the similar way. And your Ajjas app will receive the notifications which you would like to communicate to the owner to notify anything that you would like to want. Apart from all this, in the detailed brochure that has been provided by Ajjas, it has showcased that it can also enable users to send live location to your emergency contact numbers. That is not enabled as of now. I think that will be updated in the upcoming versions of the Ajjas app. This can be a simple product, but it can save life and also can notify the owner without revealing the contact details. And also during emergencies, anyone can reach your emergency contact person, keep them informed for any uncertain things. So what's your thought on this product? Comment down below, and as usual, if you like this video, do consider subscribing to ARKIONX and follow me on Instagram for more interesting content.